2,000 years later.
Hello guys, today I will do a review on this jump start. The brand is Lifmocer, and I am very excited because this is something that I would like to have in my motorcycle or even cars, because when you have cars like 2020, 22, etc., all the original batteries are almost done. So for this I will show you, I will do the unpacking and then I will do a trial with my motorcycle to see how it works for you. All right, so let's do this. So this one is a 3000 amps, and the model is Lifmocer GS300, and this is a jump start for car batteries. Oh, it comes with a nice packaging. All right, so we have here the instructions. Oh, this is like a heavy duty pliers and the charger. It comes with a cap that you can remove and put back. So we are going to put this aside, and then we have a divider, and then we have our system. Oh, it's very light, it's not that heavy. So for this model we have kind of the start button, and this is for a light. So as you can see, we have here a light, we have the charger or for the battery, and in this side we have the connectors for USB and Type C connector. Let's see if it has some battery or not to turn it on. Oh, so it's at 83% just from factory, and if we want to turn on the light we can push it or hold it. Oh, wow, it's very bright, very bright. I will try this in a space, dark space. So here we are at the garage. As you can see, you cannot see that those lights are from the garage door, but now we're going to try our 66%, no, I'm sorry, 99%, and I will push the light and see how bright it is. Wow, yeah, you can see, now you can tell, here's the motorcycle, so you have a lot of light for whatever you need. So I think it's a great light. SOS, SOS, or just flashing. So I think it's a great light. You just push it, hold it, and you have light. You see? So I like it a lot. Turn off automatic. So 82% now, and there is here some of the tips to do the charging. I will show you exactly how to do it as well. So here's the area where we put it. As we can see, the size of this charger is about the size of a $2 bill. It's a little bit more, and if you want to go more reference, it's like this of the bill, or it's like 2" by 7.5, and I think it's pretty good size. All right, so let's do the trial with this product. This is everything that comes. Also comes with type with a USB plus the Type C cable. So with this one we can charge it in any outlet for phone or whatever. So as you see, it's off now. This jump start also works for a charger. So if you want to charge your phone or something else with a Type C, you just plug it here, turn it on, and you see it's charging, and it's going to take like an hour and 43 minutes to fully charged. So you have a jump starter and a charger as well. So in order to use the jump starter, you need to plug this one here, and there is only one way to plug it because the harness or the connectors are flat and round in the other side. So make sure to go deep to all the stroke. When you have it connect, make sure to push and hold the red button for some seconds, and you have to see green, and when it's green is when it's ready to go. You see? Now this is charged and it's ready to go. They recommend to charge this to 100% the first time, and then to charge it like every 3 months if you don't use it. But this is ready to go. So let's see. Oh. So as you can see, the battery didn't start. So I will show you how to do this on a Fatboy 2012, and I will show you how to connect the battery charger. So if you have it with you, you just open the case, and we're going to remove the seat, both seats. So we're going to remove this bolt. Now we're going to remove these two seats, these two bolts. Remove the seat. Now we have access to the battery. We're going to open the case where we have the battery charger. We are going to remove the cables here and our jump starter. So as you can see, it's 100%. So as I was telling you, we're going to connect this to the back. We remove the cover. Don't put this together, and we're going to find to put this on ground. Let me get a closer look. The battery. So we're going to put here the Lifmocer charger. We're going to connect the ground first. We can use any ground, like for example, in this case we can use these bolts. We want to have like a good ground. Alright, so we have it here. And then we have to do this in the positive. We make sure that we are doing a good ground, and once it's good ground, you see we have this yellow. So now we can get to the bottom and do the start. We remove it. Alright guys, so after trying the product, I tried with a Harley. The motor are very heavy, difficult to crank, but it didn't have any issues. The crank was very good, very fast, and according to the description, this product you can use it like 25 times without charging it again. And yeah, and then the wires, the quality of the jump starter is very good. I like that the wires are like gauge 10. It comes with cover. You can feel it, and it's very heavy duty. You can see the pliers are super good. They have good grip. They have they look very good quality. the charger is not going to damage your motorcycle, your regulator, starter, or anything. So it comes with light. You can charge your phone or different components, and yeah, I like it. It's very light. You can put it in this nice case, or you can put it in different places, so it doesn't get too bulky. But I like it. So hopefully you like it. I will leave the description in the description, and you can buy it at Amazon, or yeah, and it will be fast shipping, easy returns. But I like it. This has over 600 reviews and pretty good reviews on that. All right, thank you.